Hi everyone, I'm here to talk about Advan Black, Colored Match, Tour Pack, and Latches. I paid an extra $30 to have all black hinges and latches with my Colored Match Trap Tour Pack. It's a great tour pack, highly recommended. But for the latch, on the other hand, they are garbage. My first one completely ripped off the tour pack itself. It was extremely loose. I don't know what happened to it. Sent me another one. Well, this one is locked. Won't open. Keys that they made for it and sent me are junk. Both of them. So now, I have to go spend $200 through Harley-Davidson to get the correct tour pack latch and hinges, because the old one tore this up along with the tour pack. So if I were you guys, I would you know, a great product. I'd buy the tour pack all day long. Make sure you have new hinges ready for it.